You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
So here's some big news from the gaming world. Electronic Arts, the company behind some of the most popular video game franchises like Madden, NFL, Battlefield, and The Sims, is officially being taken private in a massive deal valued at around $55 billion US. That's not just big, it's record-breaking. This deal is set to become the largest private equity buyout in history for the entertainment industry. Here's how it breaks down. A consortium led by Silver Lake Partners, Saudi Arabia's public investment fund, and Affinity Partners will be buying EA. Stockholders are being offered $210 per share in cash, and that includes rolling over existing stakes, especially from PIF, which already held just under 10% of the company. Once everything is finalized, the value lands at about $55 billion when debt is included. Now, what does this mean? Well, EA will no longer be a publicly traded company. That's a big shift considering it has been on the stock market for 36 years, ever since its IPO back in 1989. The company's headquarters will still stay in Redwood City, California, and its current CEO, Andrew Wilson, is expected to continue leading the business. This buyout isn't happening in a vacuum. Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund has been aggressively investing in the gaming space over the past few years, buying stakes in several companies, and even acquiring some outright. Taking EA private would mark their boldest move yet, positioning their gaming arm, Savvy Gaming Group, as a serious global powerhouse. For context, this deal surpasses even the huge $32 billion acquisition of Texas utility TXU back in 2007. And when compared to the tech industry, it's reminiscent of Silver Lake's other big plays, like its 2009 purchase of Skype and the $24.9 billion Dell buyout in 2013. As for EA itself, being private could give it some breathing room. Without the constant pressure of quarterly earnings reports, the company may be able to focus on long-term projects and creative risks. That said, going private often comes with restructuring, and sometimes that means job cuts. EA already reduced its workforce by about 5% last year, so naturally, employees and fans alike will be watching closely to see if more changes come. Financially, EA has been steady but not exactly growing, with revenues hovering around $7.5 billion annually for the last few years. Meanwhile, competition has only intensified, with Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard and the continued rise of mobile gaming giants. This deal may be the bold reset. EA needs to stay competitive. If all goes according to plan, the transaction will close in early 2027, pending shareholder approval. For gamers, this could be the start of a whole new chapter for one of the most iconic publishers in the industry. EA has always carried the slogan, "Inspire the world to play," and with billions now backing its future, the company might be gearing up to do exactly that, but on an even bigger scale. Stay subscribed for more videos.